Do you know Pippali and Tvak can control old cold, dry cough, and bronchitis in kids? But how can you give them? Introducing BabyOrgano Sitopaladi powder, an Ayurvedic blend of Pippali and Tvak. Sitopaladi powder contains Pippali, Tvak, 1 solution, Ella, Sharkara. Sitopaladi powder is extremely effective in treat long-term cold and dry cough, control bronchitis in kids, make kids' respiratory system strong, develop immunity against cold and cough. Sitopaladi powder is an Ayurvedic mixture of clinically proven herbs that promotes a healthy respiratory system in kids. It helps prevent cold, dry cough, and other respiratory issues like bronchitis. Give your kid BabyOrgano Sitopaladi powder and encourage them towards a healthy life. BabyOrgano Sitopaladi powder is 100% Ayurvedic, safe for kids, has no harmful preservatives, FDCA approved, GMP certified products, and has clinically proven Ayurvedic ingredients. Here is a chart of daily doses of Sitopaladi powder for your little angels. For 1 to 3 years, a pinch twice or thrice a day. For 3 to 10 years, half a teaspoon twice or thrice a day. For 10 to 15 years, 1 teaspoon twice or thrice a day, or as directed by the physician. How to take it? Take it before a meal with equal honey as per the mentioned dosage.